Yours, Fiber Spider, back again with another tutorial for you. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super lacy, super simple shawl. And I did not come across a name for it. There may be one. If there is, please let me know. But I like to think of this as the Myriad of Triangles shawl. And I absolutely love how simple this is, and it is a great project if you want something that's very open and lacy and airy for the warmer season. Also, it is a 1-row repeat, which makes it one of those great projects if you want to have some mental quiet time. And I don't like to say that it's a mindless project. No, I would say it's a mindful project, because your mind can wander, and you can think about whatever it is that you want, and you can have a meditative moment while you stitch away and make something beautiful. So, without further ado, let's get into the materials. Now, for this shawl, I used 2 skeins of Red Heart Super Saver, and obviously it's not the same colorway. Honestly, I forget what the colorway was for this one that I did here. I apologize. Now, because the variegated yarns of the Super Saver, they have dye lots. So you want to be aware if you are using the Red Heart Super Saver, that is a variegated yarn, if you want the same sort of look. So be sure that you have the same dye lot when you get them. Like I said, it required 2 skeins, or if you're looking for the same yardage, it's 236 yards, and yes, I used 2 skeins. In fact, I might have even wanted to go a little bit bigger for the arms spread length at the top. Totally up to you, but it gives you an idea, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, so to do my sample for you today, again, this is the Red Heart Super Saver. I think this is called Arctic, if I'm not mistaken. I've done some projects with it before, and I rather love the colorway. And I'm using a size I crochet hook, one of my go-tos. Although because it is so lacy, you could use perhaps a size H, and that would make it a bit of a smaller, laciness, if you will. Totally up to you. It's not entirely crucial. So, to begin, we are going to do our slip knot, like so, and then chain up 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I could do that one better. Alright, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we're going to do a treble crochet stitch into that first chain. So that's a yarn over twice. And then go into that first chain. And then you pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through. And this is actually the very tip, the bottom tip of the shawl, this triangle shape here. Alright, so then we're going to start the next row by chaining up 8. It's always starting with a chain up of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we turn the work. All right, and then we're going to do another double. It's all about, another treble crochet. It's all about treble crochets, chaining up of 8 when you first start, and chaining of 4. You'll see what I mean. So we did our chaining up of 8. We're going to do a treble into this first stitch here, but we're not going to finish it. So we went through the 2 and then go through the 2. Now we leave 2 loops on our hook there. Okay, then do 2 more yarn overs because we're now going to do a treble over here, and you're going to want to count up 4 stitches from the base. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, or you could count over 4 from on this side. So it's 1, 2, 3, or 4. So either way. So be sure you have both of your loops on your hook there. And this will be a lot easier after a couple of rows, trust me. So going into that 4th chain from the bottom, like so, do your treble crochet. So that's through 2, and then through all 3 that are still on your hook. All right, now I know this looks a little bit weird, but it will make sense, trust me. So now to finish, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then do another treble crochet into that same stitch that we went into. Through 2, through 2, through 2. And that is the end of the 2nd row. So as you can see, the triangles are becoming a myriad, slowly but surely. And so we're going to continue on, and it is the same process every row. So it's a very, very simple pattern to follow and repeat and so forth. But I'm going to do a bunch of them just so that you get used to it. Okay? All right, so for the 3rd row, chaining up of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the work. And then we're going to do a treble into that 1st stitch. So yarn over twice. Go down into that 1st stitch. Now keep in mind we're starting the treble. We're not actually finishing it. And then we have to traverse across over to this next stitch. So we're yarning over twice. And we're going to go through these 2 top loops here. And we're going to finish our treble this time. So through 2, and then through the last 3. All right. So now we're going to have to chain 4. And we're going to do a treble into here. But again, not finishing it. 1, 2. Do our double yarn over. And again, because we've reached the end here, it is the 4th from the bottom. So that's 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th. Like so. Through 2. Through 2, and then through the last 3. And then we have to finish the last triangle. So to do that, chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finish by doing a treble into that same stitch that we went into right in here. And that is row 3. So you're getting an idea of how it's going to keep growing. Triangles on top of triangles. All right. So now, to start the next row, chaining up of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the work. And again, begin a treble into this first stitch down in here, but don't finish it. Through 2 and through 2. And then we have to traverse across over to here. So we yarn over twice, go into that stitch like so. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through all 3. All right. And now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double yarn over because we're starting a treble into this juncture. Through 2, through 2, but leave those 2 on the hook. Double yarn over. And we go across to the next stitch over here. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through all 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thought it could get the better of me, it thought wrong. However, then of course as I say that my yarn knots up, right? Alright. So, I'm sorry about that. I chained up my 4 stitches, double yarn over, go into that same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, but don't finish. Double yarn over, go into the 4th because we reached the end. 1, 2, 3, and then into the 4th one. That 4th chain right there. We then finish this by pulling through 2, pulling through 2, and then pulling through all 3. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finish by doing the treble into that same stitch. So it just keeps growing out and out and out, and it is a stitch, a pattern that I really do like because it is so simple and it is very easy to follow, and you don't have to agonize over the repeat because it's just the same row over and over. And I'll do one more for you, and then I think you got it, okay? So, chaining up of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, so double yarn over, start the treble into that first stitch, but not finishing it. Nope, not yet, because we got to do another double yarn over, going into the next one, through 2, through 2, and then through all 3. Alright. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and, whoop, hello. 4. Double yarn over into that same stitch. Through 2, through 2. We're not finishing it just yet because it's a double yarn over again into the next stitch, the next junction, through 2, through 2, through 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, double yarn over into that same stitch down in here, through 2, double yarn over, go across to the next one, through 2, through 3. Almost done. Chaining of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double yarn over, through 2, double yarn over, find the 4th, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right in there, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 3, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, double yarn over, go into that same stitch to finish the row. You know what? I can't resist. I want to do more. Alright, so again, chaining up of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We turn the work. Yarn over twice. Go into that same stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Double yarn over. Go into the next stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through all 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double yarn over. Go into that same stitch down in here. Pull through 2, pull through 2, double yarn over, go into the next cluster over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then pull through 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go into that same cluster. Pull through 2, pull through 2, double yarn over, go into the next cluster over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through all 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double yarn over, go into that same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, double yarn over, go into the next cluster over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through all 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double yarn over, go into that same cluster, pull through 2, pull through 2, double yarn over, find the 4th from the end, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through all 3. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double yarn over, go into that same stitch, and finish the row. All right, and for good measure, I just want to do one more. And what I'm really loving, even though this is not going to be a finished piece, check out how this blue does that stripe. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love what happens with variegated yarns sometimes. I really do. You never know what you're going to get sometimes, and that's part of the fun. So we're going to start again by chaining up of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we turn the work. Double yarn over into that same stitch down there. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Double yarn over. Going into the next cluster over. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And pull through 3. Chaining of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice. Go into that same stitch. 1, 2. Yarn over twice. Go into the next cluster. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 3. Come on. There we go. Chaining up a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarning over twice. Going into the same stitch. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Yarning over twice. Going into the next cluster. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And pull through all 3. Chaining of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarning over twice. Going into the same stitch. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Yarning over twice. Going into the next cluster. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through all 3. Chaining of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarning over twice. Going into the same cluster. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Yarning over twice. Going into the next cluster over. Grab some more yarn. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through all 3. Okay, almost done with the row. Chaining of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarning over twice. Go into that same stitch. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. Yarn over twice. Find the 4th. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right in here. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through all 3. Gotta finish the end, so it's yarn chaining up a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice into that same stitch, and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Shaboom. All right, my dears. So, as you can see in this short time, we have a really neat piece. Absolutely lovely. And, as you can see, it is very quick. It is very lacy, very colorful. You can, of course, use solid color yarns. Nothing at all saying you can't. It's totally up to you. I just like this because it takes something that's very simple and yet gives it a lot of really interesting visuals to it. Of course, you could do a slow color change, that's, perhaps cairn cakes or mandala yarn, which I have yet to use, but I would oh so love to. I've heard it's beautiful. So, with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed something from this tutorial and that you learned something, because I love doing these for you guys. I really do. And if you want to make one yourself, please, I would love to see your work. So you can share photos of your work if you like. I have a community page on Facebook, same name, Fiber Spider. And I also have an Instagram account, and I would just love to see what you guys do. I always do. So listen, until next time, stay inspired, stay caffeinated, and above all, stay stitching. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.